Deep within the lush, vibrant heart of Ghana's tropical rainforest, a remarkable story unfolds where nature thrives and life hums in harmony. Welcome to the International Stingless Bees Center, a sanctuary for one of nature's smallest yet most crucial heroes. Here, the delicate wings of stingless bees weave a connection between the rainforest's rich biodiversity. At the International Stingless Bees Center, each hive tells a story of nature's genius and human innovation, from natural log hives to artificial box hives. These homes are designed to protect and nurture the delicate stingless bees colony. Every hive is a hub of activity where bees tirelessly collect nectar, pollen, and resins, as well as pollinate flowering plants and produce medicinal hive products. These buzzing communities are at the heart of sustaining the ecosystem and livelihoods. When your journey brings you to the vibrant land of Ghana, don't miss out on the one-of-a-kind experience awaiting you at the International Stingless Bee Center. Immerse yourself in the fascinating world of these gentle pollinators, explore the unique hives, and discover how they sustain both nature and communities. Plan your visit today and make your tour to Ghana truly unforgettable with a buzzing adventure. Be happy.